people, you're welcome to Ada's Delicacies. As you can see, today what we'll be cooking is called Ukwa and it's called breadfruit. So first of all, I have my dried breadfruit, which has been dry and preserved very well. I have my crayfish, I have my onions, I also have my dry fish, is dry catfish and mangala fish, and this has been dried and preserved. I have my table salt also to be added, and I have scotch bonnet. I have my Maggi crayfish and also my palm oil, to give that unique taste. So first, what I do is I wash out the ukwa in hot water from the tap. I wash it really thoroughly. That's because I want to get out all the dirt and all the stones from the ukwa. So you need to wash it very well. The ukwa is also called breadfruit. So wash it as often. I almost wash this almost 5 or 6 times just to get a perfect wash. So I put hot water on the fire. I put water on the fire and I start boiling. And then I add the ukwa and stir it all out. So after stirring it all out, I cover it for about almost 15 minutes for it to boil. The good thing about ukwa is you need to boil it very, very well in order to make it really soft, So I opened my pot after 15 minutes to see how what's happened. You can see the water is almost dried off. So what we'll do is we'll add more water to this. So ukwa, one thing about ukwa is it swells up like bread. You need to know. So you need to add more water. So I deboned my fish, put hot water to get all the bones and all the debris from the dry fish. I deboned it, and here is the finished result of the deboned fish. So that looks good. So the water has been added to the ukwa already. So what we'll do is we'll add the deboned fish inside the ukwa and let that boil so that the yummy taste will sink into the ukwa, so that you get a very, very beautiful and lovely, delicious ukwa. So so that is the fish, romancing the ukwa there. So what we'll do is after romancing the both of them together, we'll cover it up and allow it to boil. Allow it to boil for another 5 minutes. Open it up while boiling and add your chop onions. Oh, I love onions. So add your chopped onions and then add Cameroon pepper. It's called Cameroon. Just add Cameroon pepper onto it. You can add your scotch bonnet, but I skipped my scotch bonnet now for this time because of my baby. Added my seasoning, added my blended crayfish. So stir it. Be careful about stirring ukwa. Then add salt to taste. Be careful about stirring ukwa. Ukwa is like beans. So once you add it, just add your palm oil. Everything goes inside and sinking. Do not stir ukwa that much, or less it should start burning before it gets cooked. So add your palm oil and just stir a very little so it doesn't burn. Now look at it. I left it to cook. Now look at how my ukwa is looking so yummy and beautiful. I want you to try this ukwa because ukwa is one of the most proteinous food in the world. It's called breadfruit. It's so nutritious. When I had it, it was so yummy. It was so yummy. So try this ukwa. It is really, really, really good. So if you are new to my station, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learned a lot. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, share with your friends. If you've got any questions, I'll leave all my contacts down below, so you can send me an email, or you can ask me any questions concerning this.